Hi everyone, welcome to English is Easy with RB. My name is Rajdeep Banerjee. Today we'll do things differently. Today I'm not going to tell you the meaning at first. Instead, I'll give you the examples. And trust me, you will understand the meaning on your own. Vice versa. He doesn't like her and vice versa. She also doesn't like him. She is very angry with him and vice versa. He is also very angry with her. She knew everything about him and vice versa. He also knew everything about her. So did you understand why we use vice versa? We use it to say that what we have just said is also true in the opposite order. Okay? I hope you got to learn something new. Until next time, this is RB signing off.